Hey, folks! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of iPad accessories with a product that combines functionality and style, the CHESONA Touchpad iPad 10th generation case. Let's kick things off by talking about the standout feature of this case, the backlit keyboard. It's not just any keyboard. It offers 3 levels of adjustable brightness and boasts 7 pure LED backlights. This means you can enjoy a comfortable typing experience in any lighting condition, whether you're working late at night or in a dimly lit room. And don't worry about power consumption. The backlight automatically turns off after 30 seconds of inactivity to save power. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the integrated multi-touch trackpad. This trackpad is designed to seamlessly adapt to the iOS system, providing you with various trackpad gestures that make navigation a breeze. You can effortlessly click, scroll, and swipe through content, turning your 10.9-inch iPad into a laptop-like experience. It's all about convenience. The CHESONA case doesn't stop at just being a protective cover, it's also a versatile keyboard. The keyboard is magnetically detachable, allowing you to effortlessly switch between a lightweight laptop and your iPad. With multimedia and other useful shortcuts, this wireless keyboard provides the ultimate convenience. Plus, its powerful 500 mAh battery ensures a standby time of up to 120 days. It even enters sleep mode automatically after 15 minutes of inactivity. One of the fantastic additions to this case is the built-in Apple Pencil holder. It's a perfect spot to keep your Apple Pencil, ensuring it's always within reach whenever you need it. And speaking of convenience, the case is precisely cut to provide full access to all your iPad's ports, sensors, speakers, microphones, and cameras. No need to remove it for any functionality. Now, I know you're probably wondering about compatibility. This backlit wireless keyboard case is designed exclusively for the iPad 10th generation, specifically for models A2696, A2777, and A2757. It's essential to ensure you have the right model for a perfect fit. In the box, you'll find everything you need: the case with a built-in pencil holder, the detachable keyboard with 2 Bluetooth channels for simultaneous pairing with 2 devices, a USB-C charging cable for convenience, a handy phone stand, and a user manual to get you started. If you found this review helpful and you're interested in more tech insights and recommendations, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.